Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I am going to be doing another hair video, but I'm going to be experimenting and I've never done this with my hair. I'm going to try to do knotless braids on my hair. Kind of scared because I've never done them, and I'm trying to look at the camera instead of the screen so like y'all can see that I'm trying to look at you. I have to wash my hair, I have to blow dry it, and yeah, that's actually gonna be a whole different process. And if the lighting is different, I tried a new lighting color, so like if you can see, like it's different because I usually use this one, but today I'm using this one. I don't think I'm gonna ever use this one, or I might use this one, I don't know, but I'm gonna go back. So yeah, but I wanted to use this one because like a more natural lighting color. I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using once I blow dry my hair and I got everything settled. But yeah, this is just an experiment because I've never done this on my hair and I don't even know how it's going to turn out. So like I might not even post this video, but if I do, stay tuned for how my hair comes out because it's gonna be cute. Hey guys, so I'm back. But I just washed my hair and now I'm about to blow dry it. I'm gonna use this bamboo anti-breakage thermal heat protectant. Yeah, this brush and then the blow dryer, of course. And I really wish that I had the attachment that had the comb, but I don't got it, so I'm using this. You guys already know the blow drying process. Okay guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair. I do have bangs, but I purposely put them long, or like cut them while my hair was curly so that they won't be short when I straighten whenever I straighten my hair. But I mainly cut them so that they can be bangs when I have curly hair, not when I have straight hair. But I'm going to put coconut oil on my hair, and I've been having this coconut oil for like years. You see the oil. Okay, so now that that's in my hair, I am going to start. Okay, so I gotta show you guys everything that I'm going to be using for my hair today. So I got this Shine and Jam Extreme Hold, this comb, a rat tail comb, some clamps. I don't really like using the silver clamps, but if I have to use it, then I will. I have some in my drawer. I have to sneeze. And of course, the main thing, which is the hair. And this hair is really close to my color. It's more brown than orange, and that's how my hair looks. It's kind of orangish brown, but like more on the browner side. But yeah, this is the closest to my hair color. So yeah, I only got 5 packs of that, once again because I'm cheap, and I don't think I'm gonna need that much, but if I do need more, I'm gonna cry. But yeah, I think that's about it that I'm gonna use for my hair. So yeah, let's just get started. And of course, you're gonna need some type of scrunchie to put the rest of your hair up. This scrunchie is kind of wet. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. After I finish my hair, I'm going to put the mousse on it. I don't know if you guys seen the like how girls put like mousse on their hair after they get their braids done. Like they go like that, and it just makes the braids look so much better. And I'm gonna try different edges. I have like a box shaped forehead, but it's not gonna be like little ones. Like I want to be extra because I'm never extra. Ooh, let me not. I'm like not extra with my hair. Like I'm not like, yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, let's just get started because I'm gonna keep on babbling. Okay guys, so I got it as straight as I could. I was about to cry. Okay, so I'm about to start. minute. I think I did this right. Hold up. It feels like I did it right. I did the knotless. I did the knotless. I know it starts off small and it gets bigger, but some braiders do that purposely, and some braiders like don't like that at all. But this is my first time doing it, and I'm gonna keep saying that so people won't think like, oh, she don't know what she's doing. Oh, why she going out like that? Girl, it's my first time doing it. I really don't care. Just as long as the front don't look horrible, I'm good. But I am getting really bored. And when I get bored, I get tired, and I don't want to go to sleep anytime soon. So I'm going to come back to you guys when I am done with the back, or like on my last row in the back. So, and the back ends like, the back ends up here. So I have a while. Well, not a while, but like I have a lot to go. But ooh, and I'm not even looking at the freaking camera anymore. I'm sorry, but I'm going to come back to you guys when I finish. And this is, I only have 3 done so far, plus how long they are. But yeah, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I forgot to record myself finishing the back, but this is how it looks. And the braids are really long. They're like long. But excuse me, I started doing the front. This is how the front looks. Again, experimenting. This is my first time doing it. I'm actually really tired and hungry, so I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Well, I'm gonna eat something, take a shower, and then go to sleep. And I'm just do this in the morning. Stay tuned because I will be done soon. Okay, so it is the morning after, and you can definitely tell that I just woke up because my eyes are puffy. But I'm about to do this side of my hair. I'm not gonna start right here because I'll be dumb. So I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna make sure these parts, that these parts right here and these parts right here are matching, because I always seem to mess up on that. But we're just gonna get started. I have used 2 full packs of hair, and I'm on my 3rd one. So it's gonna need 3. Okay, so in this clip, I muted myself because there's a lot of millions in the background. But basically, I'm going to explain what I'm doing. So I'm splitting that part into 3. And you're doing that so you can start your braid off. And I did it like 2 or 3 times. I think probably twice. And then I'm adding in the hair, but pay attention, Jesus Christ. Pay attention to how I have the hair in my hand, like how it's in a looping type of way, you know, like a loop kind of. But yeah, it's like that. And then I braid that in like 2 or 3 times. And then I add another piece of hair with the same type of hand method. And like just scoop it into the part of where my hair is, and then just continue braiding it. And when I get comfortable with the way it is, I switch it and then turn my hands around, and then just start braiding down. Not sure. But yeah, and then now I'm going to do this part. I'm going to finish, and I'll probably come back to you guys when I'm doing like the last row, just show you the progress. But yeah, so this is how the front or the top is looking. It is like, I feel like I'm doing really good. This is how this row looks. You can see that, and then this row, hopefully you can see that, and then this row, and then this braid right here. But I feel like I'm doing really good. I have like hairs out so that I can do my edges, but I have no idea how I'm going to do them. I think I'm going to record myself doing the rest of my hair. So I use 3 full packs because, well, I have hair set out already, but I'm gonna just open this pack. Well, I think I'm gonna need the other one. We're just gonna do this one first and comb the roots, because you don't want like blocky roots. Not blocky, but like, you know, the thing more up. But I'm parting it in 3. And then I'm starting the braid. My arms. And then once oh wait, no, that's small. Gonna add in a piece of hair. Move that out of the way. Add in a piece of hair right there. And start braiding. And then I'm going to add in another piece of hair right here. Like that. And put it, oh, move this out of the way. Put it right there. And keep braiding. I'm getting hot. That feels about right. I can see it right. I'm going to put the hair going from behind and on the left. I'm sorry if the lighting's messed up. On the left and in the middle, and put the right through it. Just continue braiding. I am done. I have to put the, so I'm done with my hair. This is how it looks. I don't know if I can, why did I say it like that? I can. I'm about to go dip my hair. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys how I dip my hair because I don't want to accidentally burn myself. That's gonna hurt really, really bad. Okay guys, so I just dipped my hair and right now, I feel heat. Right now I'm about to put the mousse and put it all at the root and like front top of my hair. Kind of putting it like all at the top because you're not supposed to dip your like hair like that's up here and stuff. And then I have this, I don't know if you can see the steam. Can you see the steam? But it's steaming. I'm just gonna rub down. I'm gonna do the same on this side. If you dip your hair too high, then it messes up your actual hair. Like it breaks off the ends of your hair, so you don't want to do that. They're like, I purposely did them long because I just wanted long braids. But the only way that I would want long braids if there was like less braids, because a lot of braids and long, too heavy. I don't like that. But this is cute. My edges, still don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I'm going to try something out, and then if I like it, then I'll film my outro after that. This is the final review. I'm going to take this off. I've already put up all the stuff, so I just wanted to keep this on just until I finish. That's kind of cute. Oh, this is all smushed. I don't know how I feel about this right here, but this is kind of cute. This is kind of cute. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. This is how my hair came out. This is the finished product. Once again, my very, very, very first time doing this on my own hair. I've done this once on my sister's hair, and that was like an experiment too. But this is, bruh, I really hope the lighting is not bad. But this is the finished product. How it came out. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give a like, subscribe, comment down below other videos you guys want me to do, and let me know if you actually like me doing hair videos, because at first when I started my YouTube channel, I was like, I'm not gonna do hair videos. Like, I'm not just gonna do that because I feel like that's just like only sticking to one thing. So if you guys want me to do other videos, please let me know, because I will do them. I just, you know. And I am going to post this video. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I promise. I just need to edit it and everything. But this is how it looks. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this, but I can't do anything about it because the braids already. Anyways, but these edges are kind of cute. I feel like I did really good for my first time. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.